God dang it, I'm so freaking stupid. Because I came specifically to this Champs outlet because I wanted to do an exchange and I forgot to bring the item. Dang it. I bought these shorts right here. They're only 10 bucks. But they don't fit him. They don't fit him, and I don't like the way they fit because they're... Oh, I thought they were a little short. Maybe they're not too bad. But dang it, they got the size that I wanted. Alright, I'll have to hope they have it next week, I guess. I explicitly came here for the size swap. I guess I'll show you guys around. Guess let's look around, see if they have anything new. I came here 2 weeks ago. Let's start with some of the biggest surprises. Classic leathers, $30. Pretty much Ross, Burlington prices, $30 for those bad boys right there. Got a couple of Vans going for $30 as well. Got Converse, $20. $20 for these Converse. Vans boots, normally $1.50. $1.50 down to 30 bucks. They got your size. The material is just really nice on that one too. Then let's go to the New Balance. Got some, I think these are skate shoes, right? I think they're skate shoes. And then look at this, 550s. 550s, that's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen these. $40 for 550s. Do you get this instead of the Air Force or all black Air Force? Is that worth it? I don't know. But it's $40, definitely way cheaper. Then they got other ones. 550s going for 60, 60. That one's 60, then 80 right there. Got Superstars down to 70. A lot of times when you go to the Adidas outlet, Superstars ain't even on sale. They got them for $70 here. They got some extra huge forums. These are freaking huge. What, size 13? Size 13, normally 100, down to $60. They got that colorway up there as well. I ain't trying to go that high. And when looking for bargains, look at this. This is a size 12. Size 10 and a half. That's my size. Size 10 and a half, $50. $50 for Ultra Boost. Pretty much the same price as Ross. I think Burlington too, right? $50 freaking dollars, $60 for the Web Boost. Right there. Just crazy prices. Then we've been seeing these at a bunch of spots as well. Regular Champs have had them on sale. Not 50 bucks though. Not 50 bucks. I think Burlington had these for 50 a while back as well. But the fact that this is just as cheap as like the super discounted spots, that is kind of crazy. NMDs go for 60 and 60 right there. Dame Certifieds down to $50 right here. Then we got some more Superstars on sale. Okay. All right, we're getting to the Jordans and the Nikes. Do got the 211 low IEs right there. Got some one mids for 100. Don't see any crazy deals with the Nikes. I swear I think Chic's had better sales with the Nikes lately. Got some of the Team Jordans right here under 100. Some of them go for 150. Not the craziest. I still can't believe I forgot my shorts, my kiddo shorts. So I can do the size. Oh, look at this. What is this? This looks like some ACG stuff. Obviously not, because I don't see ACG branding on it. $66 down to 20 bucks. It sounds like, looks like some hiking gear type of stuff. Got with the buckles and stuff like that. But $20, normally $66. And they even have these cargo looking pants right here. I wonder if that's the same price. These are normally $70. Usually if they have that price right there, it's usually $70. It could be $30. Could be $30. I got a bunch of extra bright 80s shorts right there going for $10. Trying to show stuff that I didn't show last time. I was just here 2 weeks ago and their stuff hasn't changed too much. Do got reflective shirts right here, $20. This is important like when you're running and stuff like that. You kind of do want brighter stuff. Normally 30 down to 20. And when you're running, this is the type of stuff that'll keep you alive so people can see you. Probably need one on the back as well. Dang it. Mess around the $20 rack. Look at this. Look at this. Timberland pullovers, or they're windbreaker pullovers. It's like windbreaker material. And look at this. Normally $100. $100 down to freaking $20. Holy crap. All kinds of sizes. Double XL, mediums, large. They got the matching pants as well. Matching pants normally 90 bucks, normally 90 bucks down to $20. Holy cow. Shout out to the homie Jacob. We were talking about sneakers for a minute and the outlet game and just everything. We're talking about all that stuff. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, I was noticing this. Look at this. Look at this. Dude got shorts right here, Brooklyn net shorts. These are Nike. Normally 90 down to 30 bucks. 90 down to 30 freaking dollars. Are you serious? They got some Under Armour pants right here. And Under Armour gear usually isn't the most cheap. Isn't the cheapest. Am I talking in English? But yeah, 110 down to $30. Holy cow. We're gonna have to go through stuff real quick. I just got word from my kiddo. I need to go pick him up like an hour earlier. So we're just gonna have to go through stuff real quick. Gretzky stuff right there, 100 bucks. That's Mitchell and S. And then I think those are the Teemu Selanne jerseys. But yeah, those are $100 cheaper. They got all those jackets right there. Mitchell and S. Those are all $60 right there. Those are normally like 120 bucks, something like that. Guess we're gonna have to hit up some other stores after, and I'm gonna have to fill this in. But yeah, let's take a look at a little bit more sneakers. You definitely gotta keep track of prices because prices do fluctuate and they go down. Most of the times they go down. So, you know, I do come here and I do check out the prices. 574s, love seeing those on sale. 2002s, bunch of 2002s all on sale. That's really good to see. What New Balances are these? Are these the Kawhis? Are these the Kawhi 2s? The Kawhi 3s. The Kawhi 3s, they do have these for 100 bucks. I haven't even seen these anywhere. And they're on sale for 100 bucks here. Normally 160. That's what's up. You got the Curry 11s right here. Got some Hoka, some Ghost. Some running shoes right there. The Mellows, we've been seeing the Mellows for hella cheap at the Ross, but of course they're not gonna have all the size that you need, but they've had a bunch. This is going for $70 right here. This is the cheapest one. Great colorway. And then women's shoes, I did check for running shoes real quick. I'm gonna have to head out though. Definitely hit up some more stores for you guys. I'm not making this a 5-minute video, but yeah, I do got these for $20. I've said, hey, buy off season. You'll have dope stuff when it becomes winter. $20 compared to, what are these normally, 60, 55, 60, $55. So that's a dope colorway right there. I have this one. I would much rather have that colorway. These are hella warm. They have some other ones that aren't as warm. Shoot, I gotta go though. I don't want my kid waiting for me. Dang it. They got Cardi B's right here, pretty much free, dude. They got these Popsicle brand. I don't know who the hell those are aimed towards. And then which ones are these? I don't know. Are these Cardi B's too? I don't know, but they're 20 bucks, man. 20 freaking dollars. And then women's shoes, I did check for running shoes real quick. I'm gonna have to head out though. Definitely hit up some more stores for you guys. I'm not making this a 5-minute video, but yeah, I do got these for $20. I've said, hey, buy off season. You'll have dope stuff when it becomes winter. $20 compared to, what are these normally, 60, 55, 60, $55. So that's a dope colorway right there. I have this one. I would much rather have that colorway. These are hella warm. They have some other ones that aren't as warm. Shoot, I gotta go though. I don't want my kid waiting for me. Dang it. I had to pick up my kiddo from his summer program. That's why I had to run back to the valley. Look at this, man. This looks just like it does in the commercials and the advertisements, dude. Threw a ton of pepper on there. But yeah, Red Robin, dude. Red Robin. What's their song? Red Robin. Yum. He just rolled his eyes at me. Punch in the face. Did just wrap up. And you get unlimited fries. So I think I got 3 orders of fries. All right, we're done, dude. We're done. All right, I had to come pick up my kiddo, so we cut that visit short. Gonna do something interesting. We're gonna check out a store here. And I've already been to this mall a bunch of times, so we're gonna compare the Champs outlet prices to the items at Champs. Let's go. I don't think I got a video of the entire layout, but maybe I'll get it from one of my older videos. Of course, the selection here is way bigger. You got a hell of a selection here. Definitely worth visiting, you guys. Definitely worth a drive, even if you're not in the area, especially if you need apparel and stuff like that. Sneaker deals, pretty fire, but their selection, I'm trying to remember all the sneakers that I saw there, because obviously the selection is going to be very different. I definitely remember seeing all of the mellows there. I don't remember if I saw the white ones or the gold ones, but they did have a pretty crazy selection. I don't think the prices are that different for these. I remember they had some for 79, some for 99. Obviously they didn't have the newer colorways. They had this one. This one was way cheaper there. That one was $69.99 there. Do you remember that? Did not have any of these. I think those are the latest ones right there. They definitely did not have those. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, the price, not crazy different for these. They only had a couple of Jordan mids. The Jordan selection there was pretty awful. They did have the 11 low IEs, but they're not gonna have any of those here. So yeah, I can't really compare the Jordans. They did have one or two colorways of those. I think they were $100 there. How is it more expensive there? I think it was this colorway, and I think it was the same price. They didn't have any of these budget ones. Why wouldn't they have these over there? They did have some of the Team J's. Don't remember exactly which ones, but it's not like they were that cheap over there. This is the backside right here. I think they had one of these, right? I think they had one of these right there, and it wasn't really that much cheaper. I don't know, man. Am I losing confidence in the Champs outlet? Obviously the apparel, no question, their apparel's way cheaper. Even stuff like that for 50% off, usually not as great of a deal. These are 68, so that comes out to what, $34. Their hoodies, most of their hoodies are $30. And I'm even looking for the sales racks and stuff like that. Did not really see much, dude. $20 for a t-shirt, that's okay, but nothing crazy. Mostly Adidas and Nike, but not too crazy. The shorts for $20. Nike shorts is not bad, just colors. You know, it's like terry cloth material. It's not bad. Not bad, but $20? It's not too shabby. Like what are you gonna do with this color though? Or this color? 2002 Rs we did see. I want to say we saw them for 100 and 120. So I'm gonna be honest, the prices not too different. Not too different at all. This is really surprising. I don't know why I haven't thought to do this before. Material on these are exquisite, just so nice. But I don't think they were any cheaper over there. 550s, yeah, we did see the 550 for hella cheap. It didn't have a gum bottom, it was all black, but we saw those for significantly cheaper than here. I think it was $40, right? And then they do have plenty for 70. They had a couple for 60 or 70, I don't remember, but the 550 prices, a little bit of a difference, a little bit. The Web Boost, definitely different right there. I think it was, is it 60, 69 over there? And then these were definitely different. These are $50, so definitely cheaper. So it's gonna kind of depend on the item, I guess. Did have the Kobe's there as well, and I believe they're the same price. I don't remember the colorways, but they did have a couple, and I wasn't able to get to it. Was not able to get to it. I do believe the prices were the exact same. And I want to say, didn't they have a couple of superstars? I believe they had a couple of superstars on sale. Oh yeah, that one. This one right here. So there are certain things that are significantly cheaper. Just have to remember which ones they are. Of course, the selection, you can't even compare. The sneaker selection here is just crazy. But like I said, the apparel is where you get the biggest difference. All the CSG stuff here, regular price. That's if buy one, get one free. We're getting like shorts for like $10 and stuff like that. Those are normally $45. They do have certain things for 50% off. This is the CSG stuff, but if you want CSG stuff, man, definitely grab it there. They don't have the newest items, but it's mostly fleece and stuff like that, and it doesn't change too much. Instead of $27.50, you know, you might get that for like $20. I don't remember the exact price. Do got this 50% off section right here. Do got some Nike hoodies, go for $35. Most of the hoodies over there aren't more than 30 though. Like they got this jacket right here. This is what, 50% off, so $41. That is a Jordan fleece jacket. And then you got Tech Fleece, 50% off. Tech Fleece, 50% off, so $145 to $72.50. So not too bad, not too bad. I don't remember seeing any Tech Fleece stuff there though. Do got the one-off section. They did have some Converse. I don't remember if it was this one, but they did have Converse for $20. You're definitely not going to see that deal here. 550s down to 60. Like I said, I think the selection there was not as good, but I think the prices on the 550s, they might have been a little bit lower there. Then they had that one for 40, like I said. I feel like the Trae Youngs are cheaper there. I don't remember them being 60 bucks because I would have been like, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? And then Converse too. I feel like Converse are definitely cheaper there as well. I realized I didn't get a chance to check out the women's stuff over there at the Champs Outlet today because, like I said, I was in a hurry picking up that fool because he ended up getting out an hour early out of his summer stuff. One thing I realized, they don't have the out of season stuff, like those champion slides that I'm a huge fan of for the winter. Like, they don't have any of those here. They were 55 here, and they have them for 20 bucks over there. In the women's section, they did have like a Vapor Max for 2, for 100 bucks. I don't think they had any dunks or nothing like that though. But I think that's about it, man. That's about it. I don't remember. They did have 1 or 2 Brooks over there, and it's a pretty good price. Dang, the Zoom X right here, the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Down to 120. That's the cheapest we've ever seen those at a retail shop. At a retail shop, that's the best price we've ever seen them. Yeah, but they're entirely different. They do have some similar sales, but here you're gonna have a hell of a better selection, especially on the sneakers and stuff. The apparel wise, I think the apparel might be similar selection wise, and obviously the prices are gonna be significantly cheaper. Way cheaper out there. That's about it, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Got plenty coming. Subscribe, do all that stuff. See ya.